And here is perfectly cooked steamed broccoli. Hi friends, I'm Melanie from MelanieCooks.com, and today I will be cooking broccoli in an Instant Pot. To make broccoli in an Instant Pot, we need broccoli, water, and seasonings. So first, let's cut the broccoli into florets. And after I cut the broccoli, I will now put it in the Instant Pot. So let's open the lid of the Instant Pot. And add the broccoli. And now I'm going to add half a cup of hot water. This water I already warmed up in a microwave, so it's hot. So half a cup. And let's close the lid of the Instant Pot. Set the valve to a sealing position. And I will press the pressure cook button, and we have to set the time to 0 minutes. So when the time is 0, it means the Instant Pot cooks while it's coming to pressure. And when it reaches pressure, it will stop cooking. It will be just enough to cook the broccoli. Now the Instant Pot is done cooking, so let's quick release the pressure. Now the steam is fully released and the pin has dropped. So let's open the Instant Pot lid. And here is perfectly cooked steamed broccoli. And now let's season the broccoli. I'm just going to use salt, pepper, and garlic powder. And now let's try it. Perfectly cooked broccoli. The texture of this broccoli is amazing. It's well cooked, yet still crisp, and it's not mushy, just the way I like it. For a free printable recipe and other Instant Pot recipes, please visit my website, MelanieCooks.com. And don't forget to subscribe to my cooking channel, Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.